attendance module operations in Zoho People. Now that we have completed setting up the attendance module, let's see the different actions that an admin, a team member, and a manager can do with respect to the attendance module. In order to do that, let's navigate to the operations section. So click on operations and then try to click on the attendance mode. So the operations section is specific only to the administrator. So under operations, the first tab that we see here is called user specific operations. As an admin, you can search for a particular employee name here, and by selecting a particular employee name, you will be able to view all of their attendance information, their attendance data, their regularization request, on-duty request, and any hourly permission they have available. And then we have the regularization tab. So the regularization request raised by all users in the organization will be listed here. And as an admin, you will have an option to approve any of these requests on behalf of the approver. And then we have on-duty and hourly permission tab. So all the on-duty and hourly permission requests raised by your employees will be listed here. You will be able to view and approve these requests on behalf of the approver. And then we have the user ID mapping section. So when doing biometric integration, if the employee ID and the user ID are different, this is where you will be doing the user ID mapping. And click on more, where we have the last option, which is check in and out, import and export. So in addition to your employees marking the attendance, you can also manually import the attendance entries into the system using this import option, and you can export the attendance data using the export option. So these are all the different actions an admin can do with respect to the attendance module. Now let's see what a user can access in terms of attendance. Click on the attendance icon available in the left panel of your screen. And here you see this option, My Data and Team. So My Data is a section that is available to your employees. So under My Data, an employee will have an option to see their attendance summary. They can also use this filter option to change the time period. And when it comes to raising a regularization request or on-duty request, they can either use the request option here, or they can click on the respective tabs from where they will be able to raise a new request. So under My Data, an employee will be able to see their own information. Now, if you are a manager, that is, if you have people reporting to you, you will be able to view your reportees' information under this tab, which is called Team. So you will be able to view all of your reportees along with the regularization, on-duty, permissions, shift change requests. All these requests of your subordinates will be listed here, and from here you will be able to approve or reject their request. And the tabs that we see here are subject. For example, if regularization is not enabled by the admin, then employees will not see the tab called regularization. So the options that are displayed or given to employees depends upon the permission enabled by the admin. So this is an user and a manager perspective of the attendance module.